Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a course on Skool. Powerful platform that combines community, courses, and coaching all in one place. Whether you're a creator, a coach, or educator, Skool makes it super easy to build and deliver your course content. So without further ado, let's dive in. First, of course, you may want to head over to school.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. If you don't have an existing account, make sure that you create one. So once you're logged into your account, you may want to create your community. And to do that, you should see the create your own link right off the bat in your screen. Or you can also click on this icon beside the school logo and click on create a community. Start by clicking on create your community button. Now here you should see two available plans that you can avail for you to be able to start building your community. So you have here the hobby plan, which will cost you $9 a month. And here you can see the inclusions. And you also have here the pro plan, which will cost you $99 a month. And you can also see here the features included. But you can start to try them for free. Just click on the button. Now from here, start giving your community a name. It should be something that matches your course or brand. Next is you have to add in your card number, expiry date, and CVC code as a mode of payment for the plan that you chose. You can enjoy 14 days free trial. Then after that, you will be charged the amount depending on the plan that you chose. Then once done, head over and proceed by clicking on Start Free Trial. Now from here, you will be asked about your audience size. Just click on the drop down and select your size, then click on Next. And from here, you will be redirected to your community page. And from here, just click on Settings, switch to General, and in the description section, make sure that you add a description that tells your students what to expect. This community is basically your course hub where everything will be organized. From your community dashboard, start creating a course. Just head over to Classroom, then click on New Course. Add a course name and write a brief description. After adding your content, make sure it's well organized. School allows you to rearrange lessons by dragging and dropping. You can also set lessons to unlock sequentially or make them all available at once. You can also customize the look with your branding, add in your logo and color scheme to match your style. This helps create smooth learning experience for your students. One of the best parts about School is the built-in community feature. You must encourage your students to participate in discussions, ask questions, and support each other. You can also host live sessions or post announcements to keep everyone motivated. Remember that engagement is key to a successful course. Once everything is set up, you're ready to launch. Make sure that you invite your students by sharing the community link so you can copy it here under your community name, or you can also send them email invites. Set your course pricing or make it free depending on your strategy. Lastly, keep improving your course based on what your students need. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!